Yeah. So hello sir, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, very good afternoon, ma'am. How? I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also doing great, sir. Thank you so much for asking. So how is going on your practice nowadays, sir?
Yes, sir, my practice is going on very well. But the last 3 days I did not make any video because I was under the weather. But right now, so I am feeling very well. There is no problem. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
How's your practice going on?
Yeah, practice is going good, sir. Yeah. Everything is going good, very well. Yeah. So how is
And my
weather there?
winter season is the winter season is going on. But right now there is no cold in this place.
Right.
The sun is shining above my head. It is shining brightly. Yeah, and I am on
Yeah.
the roof at my house. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah,
and
I can see. Yeah. And here weather is so pleasant.
yes, yes. And
Yeah.
ma'am, maybe I talked with you maybe before 2 times. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 times. Yes, we have talked 2 times. And I think it's been more than 1.5 months, right? 1.5 months. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
All right.
since we're meeting, yeah, since we are meeting for after a long time, so please, could you tell your introduction, a brief?
Yes, yes, definitely. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal. And by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But right now, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from also, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. And it was great introduction of you. So I'm going to introduce myself. So my name is Babita. I'm talking to you from Gorakhpur. About my education, I have done graduation with English. I did PG, I did BA, and also qualified CTET, UPTET. Apart from that, I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm also running YouTube channel. It's been 9 or 10 months. I created my channel because of learning purpose. Along with I'm a mother of 2 kids. About my hobbies, I love singing, yoga, and talking with the people. That's all about me. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, yes. It is a wonderful introduction from your side, ma'am. And ma'am, I have forgot about your English speaking journey, ma'am. When did you start your English speaking journey?
Yeah, it's been 15 months. I have been learning this language for 15 months and I started to
Around
do consistency. Earlier, I had a lot of fear, embarrassment to talk with the people because I had a lot of shyness, right? I didn't want to talk with the people because of some shyness and I used to shy girl, that is why. But yes, now I have confidence to talk with the people. So this is the reason behind it. And before this language, I was nothing before learning this language. Although English was my subject when I was in the college, but yes, that time I decided to myself, yes, I have to learn this language anyhow. But after a long time, I got this mobile, and after having this mobile, I got this opportunity. So I started to do it by myself, like from YouTube channel. Everything I'm learning, so this is the reason.
yes, yes. And ma'am, right now also you are so confident. You are also speaking English very well. But I talked maybe 2 or 3 months ago. But right now also you are speaking English very well. But first of all, please tell me right now what kind of practice are you doing? Do you practice every single day this kind of video or other things?
Yeah, sir. Every day I try to talk with the people, two or three people, audio or video. Two people on video call and one or two audio call. So this is how I'm doing. And along with I'm doing many things like talk to myself, mirror technique, and watching English content, listening podcast, and listening, speaking, reading, writing. So this is the thing I'm doing. I don't have enough time for myself, but yes, because of my passion, I make time for myself so that I can inculcate a lot of words through this language. Because if you have a lot of words and various kind of thing stuff, then you are going to talk with the people in a good manner. So this is the reason. So at least in a day, 1 or 2 pages I write, and 15 minutes I am giving for writing, reading. So this way I'm doing, and listening. I listen a lot because mostly I busy in the kitchen. So that time I use my earbuds and I listen any kind of like conversational videos and podcast and speeches, English speeches as well. So this is how I'm listening and speaking. I talk to myself because our mind is always with us. So we can talk anything, we can think as well. So this is how I'm doing. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Right now, so for improving your English skill, you are doing so many things. And I know also to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules: ALS, RW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You are also practicing everything. Yeah, that's also you are improving a lot.
Yeah,
And
sir.
ma'am,
And you're also very good, sir. And you are speaking with confidently. So, what is the secret behind it? May I know about it?
no, I don't like reading. Yeah, I don't like reading. That's also I have to face a lot of problem. But I am speaking English little bit. But every single day right now, whenever I get free time, I always talk to another people with video call. And whenever I get free time, I talk with maybe after 2 or 3 days one audio call. Yeah, but I don't get free time because I work in a hospital. That's why also I have shifting duty in the hospital. And being a family person, I have a lot of work in my family, and
Yeah.
I am learning this language as well as also I am running my YouTube channel. And in my YouTube channel, every single day I will upload the video. Yeah, that's why also I don't get free time. Yeah,
Yes, but you are doing really great job, superb job, I would say, because being like parents and a working person, right, and also having YouTube channel, it's not a easy task. It's I would say it's a very daunting task, but you are ready for this, right? Because of your
yes,
passion and your dedication. So if you have dedication, consistency, and determination, then we'll ready for this to do anything and move ahead in our life.
yes. And
Yeah.
ma'am, right now also you have completed your graduation in English subject. Right now also you are speaking English for a long time. And right now, are you teaching? Are you teaching fifth student?
No, no, sir. Earlier I was teaching before COVID, but after COVID I quit my job because of some reason and pandemic time. And since then I didn't join any school for teaching. But yes, I'm thinking in 2025 I'm going to join any school, and also I have some ideas. I want to open my own institute related to this language. So firstly, I want to improve my English well, and I want to cover all the parts grammar portion as well, because if you are going to teach to students, so it is very requirement to have knowledge about grammar portion as well, so that you can teach to students in a precise way. So that is why I am thinking, and firstly I need to work upon it more and more so that I can inculcate very good things.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you are right. And right now also, right now you have a lot. You have a so many confidence. Right now also you are speaking English very fast. There is no problem and there is no mistake while speaking English. I have noticed that and I am listening very carefully. And ma'am, but ma'am, I am asking you one question. I belong to village area. I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. Yeah, I don't like reading. But how did you improve your vocabulary skill? Do you like reading English newspaper every single day?
No, sir, I don't like to read newspaper because I am I feel myself very difficult to reading newspaper, right? To read newspaper because in if you are going to read newspapers, so you will you can find very heavy vocab. So it is better for us. We can choose very simple and very easy book to understand everything. So I mostly prefer to my kids book for reading, and also I am listening attentively. Whatever stuff I'm going to read and listen, I listen attentively and I note it down. Some words if I get in that in that conversation and in that videos. So in this way I'm doing, and I'm improving my vocabulary. And also every day I try to learn five vocabulary in the morning. So this is way I'm doing, and maybe I will be very good in vocabulary part because my vocabulary is not very good. So I thought I should inculcate and I should like uh, learn many vocabulary so that I can talk with the people in a good way.
Yes. And ma'am, I'd like to ask another question to you. And do you speak with your kid in English at your house?
Yes, yes, sir. I speak in English with my kids because I want to provide English atmosphere with my kids. Because if they aware about English language, they can also move ahead through this language. And nowadays,
Yes,
it
yes.
is very important to speak with your kids in English language because if they know and they can speak in English, they can feel confident over this language. So this is how I'm providing for them, and also they are speaking little bit. They are not very like comfortable in this, but yes, they are starting to speak in English. In English,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, you are right. Actually, always you have to make a good English environment at your house for your kid. And there is a no good English environment in our locality at my house. Yeah, but for my kid, always I have to make a good environment in English. Yeah, and I know also I know to learn any language. Listening and speaking is the most important. Yeah.
Right.
When I learn my native language, first of all, I have to listen a lot. After that, also I have to speak, and that's why also if you speak with your kid every single day with your kid in English, yeah, they also learn this language very easily. Yeah, but when you also grow up, that time also in your house there is no English environment. That's why also you have to struggle. You have to struggle a lot. Yeah.
Right, right, sir. So if we are providing a very good kind of like environment with our kids, they can also learn very easily. Because nowadays it is very important for parents. They can speak in English at home, right? Because nowadays English is really too much requirement for getting job, for moving ahead in our life, and through this language we can earn like many money, lots of money as well, and also we
Yes.
can
Yes.
make a very good impression on others nowadays, which is really very important because people have this kind of like mindset. If a person is speaking in English, then they have a lot of knowledge for any kind of field, right? So this is the thing,
Yes.
but
Yes.
if this is a language and we can improve with time, but practice upon it and practice more and more as much as possible, then only we can improve and then only we can inculcate and mug up a lot of words.
Yes. Yes. You're right. And ma'am, you have a two kids, and are they going to English medium school?
Yes, sir. They are in convent. Yeah, they are studying in convent school because
Yes. Yes. Nowadays.
in convent school teacher are providing English environment, right?
Oh,
And
yeah.
nowadays parents are very eager to send their children in convent school because they know very well English is spoken there, and their children can learn very easily English language nowadays because everything is
Yes.
provided yeah, in a good way, and also they are teacher are talking with the parents in English language mostly. I observe.
Yes, you're right. I noticed that in our locality, and most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. They, uh,
Yes.
they, they, they are not sending their child in government school. Yeah, in the government school right now, most of the teachers, they are very busy for midday meal. Yeah, they are very busy, and they are not providing the service properly. Yeah, that's also I have noticed that most of the guardian, they are sending their child in English medium school. Yeah.
Right, sir. And also, government teacher want to send their own children in convent school. They don't want to send
Yes.
in
Yes.
what because they know which kind of education and quality they are providing with the students. So that is why.
Yes. But in private school, in English medium school, you have to give the high fee, and yeah, you have to maintain a high money. But in the government school, it is free. They are also providing midday meal and dress. Yeah. But
Right, right.
but most of the guardian, they are sending the English medium school.
Right, sir, exactly, and it is true. Yeah, in government school they are providing a lot of like good thing, and it is free of cost. Like they are providing midday meal at afternoon time, and they are providing free of cost dress, uniform, and also books vagera, and many things they are providing scholarship as well, but they are not
Yes.
providing quality of education. That is not good. Yeah,
And in government school, the teacher is highly educated. They are also inside the school giving the examination, SSC examination or any examination. Yeah, they are highly qualified, but they are not provide the study properly. Yeah.
right, right. Yeah, because earlier they wanted to to do this job, and after having this job, they are playing with the kids. That is not good. They can't bright students' career better. How it is possible if they are not providing this environment? They are not providing good quality of education, right? So it is not good,
Yes.
but yes, it is good for poorer kind of people. Actually, they can't afford many money for the study
Yes.
purpose. That is why they want to send in their children in government school. So this is the
Yes.
reason.
Right. And ma'am, my all study was in government school. And when, as far as I remember, when I was studying in government school, and there were 120 students, yeah, in primary school. But right now there are maybe 35 students right now, yeah. And ma'am, when you were studying in your school, and was your school in English medium or your native language school?
My education was Hindi medium. I am from Hindi medium background, and but yes, 11 12 I have done my education from government school, and that time we were very excited to learn every kind of any kind of subject, and teacher were very like uh, very excellent that time, because they were providing good kind of education with their with the students, and students were also very eager, very keen to learn any kind of subject, and learn any kind of thing.
Yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I know also to learn this language, you had to struggle a lot. And after speaking English, after learning this language, are you happy in your life?
Yes, sir. I am, to be honestly, sir, I have never been as happy in my life as I am now after learning this language. But yes, I need to work upon it more and more. I want to give my timing 100% so that I can learn in a better way. And I also want to become a master in this language. So this is the reason I'm really very happy with this language.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how
Yeah.
is your channel going on?
My channel is going good. It is going smoothly because I know it is we can't achieve anything only in one day. It will take time. So we must have patience for it. But yes, if we are providing good content and people can learn something new, if people are learning something new, so your channel is going good. But yes, my channel is
Yes,
going
yes,
smoothly. Because
yes.
earlier I was
And ma'am,
not consistent in it. Earlier I was not consistent in it. Nowadays, last 1 month, I am consistent in it. So maybe in future it is going good.
yes. And ma'am, do you upload a conversational video on your channel or others? Do you upload the grammatical video on your channel?
No, sir. Nowadays I'm uploading only conversational kind of videos, and it based on only conversational videos. Earlier I was posting my solo videos, but I was not comfortable for making my solo video. I had a lot of I hadn't confident to make my solo video. That is why I thought I should also post my conversational videos kind of stuff on my YouTube channel. Now I am getting positive results because earlier I was not talking with the people. Now I am talking with the people every day, and it is giving me a lot of positive results. I am feeling
Yes, yes.
comfortable, and also I am feeling confident. So talking with the people, it is really very great way to improve our English.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking about 20 minutes. Yeah, I have
Yes.
learned a lot of things from you. You are also speaking English very well. And ma'am, thank you for giving your valuable time. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And I'm also very grateful for this conversation. And you have given me your precious time as well. So thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.